Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to duplicate photos on your iPhone. So first you open photos and then you choose the photo you want to duplicate. So tap on it and then you can tap on the button on the bottom left corner and scroll down and then tap on duplicate, and it's as simple as that, and your photo has been duplicated. So you can just go to there, or you could also go to library and then to your recent, and your duplicated photo will be there. So that's it for today, and I hope this video is useful, and thank you for watching.